Hey nice people, welcome back. We already created two section. Now we will create another section. Basically there is three sections. All those section together is one section. So let's start with a new section. Okay, now we will take an inner section here. Let's add an image. Select files, this one. Let's make it full. Okay, so here is the section and we will copy the title from here. We'll paste it and then let's copy some text. Let's this one. Let's paste here and we will take this button, but we are unable to select this button or the text because here is an image overlay. So let's open the navigator. Here is the image. So the button, we will go to the advanced and the Z index will make it 1. For the text also the Z index will be 1, and for the title also the Z index for 1. Okay, now we can select this. Right now we will copy this button. Let's add some style here in the button. Go to the style tab. Background, let's make it yellow and the text white. Okay, and the border color yellow. Okay, and the hover, let's set an animation like pulse. It's looking bad. Grow. Okay, it's fine. Now let's copy this button and we will paste it to here. Okay, and we will make all of this left align. Left align. Let's remove the margin from this text. Padding. Okay, so this is it. Now let's change the title. Okay, select this column and vertical align we will set to middle. Okay, then the image will make it left align. Okay, so here is some space. Now let's add a background on this section. Style, background, image, upload, select. Let's select this one. Okay, we'll make it full. Position will be top center, then repeat will be no repeat, and let's make it contain. Okay, it's looking fine, but at the bottom there is no color. Maybe I select the wrong image. Let's go back. Yeah, this one. Make it to cover. Okay, it's looking cool. Let's change this color to yellow and this color to be close to white. Okay, it's looking nice. Alright, now let's take another section here and we will set a background here. This dark color. Okay, now let's copy this one and paste it to here. Let's change the text and we will make it to center. Okay, now we will copy this text and let's paste here. Okay, then take an inner section here, we'll make it 4, duplicate and duplicate. Then we will search for countdown element. Okay, here is our countdown element. Let's change the number 123. Then go to the style tab. The color will be yellow. Typography font will be Grand Hotel, and font size will be 80. Okay, now let's add some text here. And go to the style tab, change the color to white and make it center. Go to the typographies, change the font size to 22 and text transform will be uppercase and font weight may be 600. Okay, it's looking fine. Click to this one and set some negative margin at the bottom so they are looking closer. Okay, it's looking closer. Okay, now click to this column icon, add some padding like 50 pixel and go to the border. Yes, here at the border, select solid and it will be 3 pixel and border radius will be in percentage and that will be 50%. Okay, so maybe we need some padding at top and at the bottom. So set some padding at the top like 65 and bottom also 65. Okay, it's looking cool. Now let's set some margin like 25 pixel. Now it's looking big, so go back to 50 and bottom also 50. Oh, it's looking cool now. Now let's delete other columns and duplicate this one. Alright, now let's change this text like shape and maybe 100 for this one, maybe mini, and the number maybe 300, and for the last one let's make it country and let's make it 23. Okay, it's looking cool. Now let's go to the section and we will add an image as a overlay. Okay, so let's make it full. Position will be center, attachment default, repeat will be no repeat, and display size may be cover. Okay, and set some padding to top 100 and bottom 100. Let's see how it's looking. those are cut off. So let's change the background position or size to auto. Let's make it contain. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Let's copy this section now and we will paste it to here. Okay, then we will swipe the column and let's change the image position to right and change the image also, this one. Okay, now let's change the background. Select this one now. Alright. Let's change the position to bottom center. Okay, alright. Let's click the update and let's click to preview. Okay, let's go to our section. Oh, here is the section. It's looking nice. Wow, it's looking really cool. All right, this is really looking cool. Alright, so this was our third part. We also provide web development, web designing, branding, all kind of services. So if you need any kind of services, you can go to our website and contact with us. I will provide you the link in the description. Also, there is a good news I want to share with you that we are providing this kind of wonderful website service for only $99. We are providing this service for 3 person in a month. So if you want to get the offer, click the link below. I will give you the link in the description. So you will get a nice and professional website in only $99. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon.